Hello everyone. Okay, so this is the reading for Cancerians for the month of May 2021. Okay, I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. This reading is for situationship, career, and relationship. Okay, so let's check it out. Also, one more thing, guys, if you wish to enroll for one-on-one tarot reading session with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to have vastu session with me, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to purchase energized and activated bracelets and anklets, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so yeah, let's see what's going on with you guys. Okay, Cancerians, what are you going through? Cancerians, you are being very receptive, very accepting whatever is coming in your way. Karmic cycles ending, new beginnings are on the horizon. Whatever struggles you were facing, that is coming to an end. You are feeling very lonely in the month of May, okay? Very much lonely and alone and sad and thinking about certain things in life, okay? You are having dreams about beyond illusion, okay? Like you have a new vision in your life related to either career or relationship. You are feel confused as fuck, okay? Very much confused, juggling between two choices, two options, two connections, two decisions. You feel that your moral values are very important for you, and you cannot lack that moral value because of someone, okay? So like you can leave the person, but you cannot leave your moral values for someone, okay? You'll be into very rebellious mode in the month of May, okay, 2021. Also, one more thing, guys. One. Okay, guys, sorry. Okay, so there's a difference, fight going on between head and heart, okay? Heart is telling you something, or head is telling you something, or there's a fight happening outside you in your physical world, okay? Around you. Yes, you are feeling very exhausted because something is not happening in your favor. Feeling very exhausted because there is a lack of wish fulfillment, okay? Yes, you're still clinging on to the past. You are unable to move on. You are still holding on to the past situations, past things, okay? So yes, endings and new beginnings are on the horizon for you, okay? Yes, you feel that you have done a lot of things for the other people, and you are not doing it for yourself, okay? Now is not the time to do it for yourself. That's the thing, okay? So yes. Okay, let's see. Situation for you. New beginning is on the horizon for you, okay? Within next 1 month, I think June will be the time for new beginning. Ace, double one. Some of you might be dealing with a twin flame connection, okay? Sometimes you feel that you want to leave the past behind and you want to move forward, and you are going to do it. Some of you might be going to move on from a past person, past relationship, past situation, past patterns of living, okay? Something related to past, okay? So yeah, you feel very weak related to a situation, and I think you want to be independent. You want to have an independent financial freedom, but it's not happening. It's taking delays, it's taking a lot of time, and a lot of blockages is happening for becoming that freedom oriented person. So yeah, you feel that you do not have to hold back from someone anymore, or you will be very you will spend a lot in the month of May, okay? So be wise with your spendings, okay? And I am just going to advise you, if you are holding back from someone, my May will be the month where you won't be holding back. You will be very expressive. You will be expressing your emotions, your feelings, your situations to someone, okay? If you feel that you want a new beginning, but that's not happening because something has not ended yet, the karmic pattern has not been ended yet, and new beginnings are, that's why new beginnings are not happening. That's the problem, okay? It's a universal blockage, not your blockage. You need to balance money, okay? In the month of May, you will be balancing your money, you will be spending it wisely, you will be thinking twice and then spending. Some of you might do donations and charitable thing also during this pandemic, okay? So some of you might work for giving food, contributing into social work, okay? So which is very good actually. I think you will be very confused in the month of May, but I would suggest you to get the clarity, trust your intuition level. Like, for example, if your intuition is saying go, do it, okay? So, trust your intuition level and do it, okay? Don't think that, whether I should do it or not, because you will be very confused in the month of May, let me tell you. But your intuition will be right, okay, whatever you'll be thinking of. Also, one more thing, you daydream a lot. There's certain things you need to achieve in life, okay, and you're daydreaming about a person, about a girl, about a relationship, about anything, okay. It might be related to career as well, or it might be related to relationship. So you will be thinking of achieving, okay. And I think it will take time. You're daydreaming about someone, okay, very much, day and night, okay. I think there's a, new beginning is at risk right now. This is not a right time to take any risk. Starting a new business, starting a new job, don't do it, okay. Right now, for at least, next 2 to 3 months, don't think of taking any risk, okay. That I would suggest you. Yes, 1 minute. Well, guys, I just want to tell you that you are holding back from someone from communicating your feelings to someone. I would suggest you a heart to heart communication is required in the month of May, and you should do it. Stop, procrastinating things, okay? Communicate. You need to have a heart to heart communication with a person, okay? Stop sitting and analyzing, start taking action, because you are not doing anything, just sitting and analyzing things. That's it. Some of you might be dealing with a court case also, okay, or a karmic relationship. If there is a karmic relationship that has not been ended yet, so you need to end a complete cycle first, and then you can have a new beginning towards a new relationship, okay. So have a karmic closure, okay, with certain person, certain people. Karmic relationship can be anything, like, either dealing with a person, either with a career, anything can be karmic, okay. So have a complete karmic closure and then have a new beginning, okay. You are juggling between two choices, two options, two connections, two decisions, evaluating the pros and cons, okay, because you carry a lot of burden of a lot of people around you. That's the problem, okay. So stop juggling between two choices, two options, two connections, two decisions. But anyways, you will be doing it in the month of May, okay. Even if I'll tell you don't do it, you will be doing it, okay, because that thing will not get out of your head, because you feel that you carry a lot of burden for a lot of people. That's the problem. One last card. You are carrying a lot of baggage and burdens from the people. That is not a good thing, guys. Okay, yes, karmic closure will be on the horizon, not in at least in the month of May, but June, July, August, in the upcoming few months it will be there, okay. So yeah, some of you might be having children's, or might be into teaching job, or you can become teacher if you are thinking of that. You can plan to teach someone, you can be a mentor to someone, you can be a motivational trainer to someone, you can heal children, okay. So your life purpose involves helping others, teaching and healing people and children, okay. So start you can also join daycare schools, and you can do something related to teaching, okay, with children and kids, okay. So yeah, practice, polish your skills by practicing regularly. Whatever you, if you wish to be a musician, if you wish to be a scientist, if you wish to be anything, okay, practice your profession, okay, a lot, okay. Only practice is needed, okay, in the month of May. Practice a lot of your skills. Even if you are guitarist, if you are singer, if you are into acting, practice it, okay. Some of you might start travel vlogging, or writing blogs, or you know, if you really wish to start a career related to writing, you can do so, okay, if you are thinking about it for so long, okay. Also one more thing, you can start vlogging so that, you know, others can get inspired by your writing skills, okay. I would suggest you that. Spend time with animals, okay, like, you know, spend time with animals, nature, okay. And help street people, street animals, okay. That will really heal you out, okay. It will be a time for retreating yourself in a better way, okay. So yes, you will be very sensitive, you, in the month of May. You will be very sensitive in the month of May, and you need to make a lot of changes related to your sensitive emotions, okay. Anyways, you suppress your feelings, okay, but I would suggest you stop being sensitive, start being more stronger by your heart, okay. So that's what I will suggest you, okay. Yes, some of you Geminines might be a musician, or might start, or might think of, you know, getting into reality shows or joining a music class or something like that as a profession. If you are thinking that you like music and you are passionate about it, you can start a career with it, Geminines, okay. Your connection to music is healing yourself and others. So if you are a guitarist, artist, or singer, or anything related to music, you can go for it. I'm telling you that it will be really good. Abundance is on the horizon for you, Cancerians, okay. Okay, so before, if I said Gemini's by mistake, okay, spare me for the same, because in head it's like happening. But yeah, Cancerians, some of you you'll be very sensitive in the month of May, okay. So be strong, okay, don't start, you know, being very emotional, okay. And I think angel guardians will be supporting you, okay. Your life purpose fully supports you. Whatever purpose you will be having, you'll be getting support of the same. And I think infinite abundance is on the horizon for you. Your life is going to get changed, and abundance is on the horizon for you, Cancerians, okay. Let me take your love reading now. I think you know, you like a person, or you have a crush on it, and I think that person really gets connected to you, okay. And and I think you know it energetically and into your heart. So that might be your true person, true soulmate, if you are searching for the same. If you are single and if you are searching for someone, okay, who is meant for you, then I think there's a person who is in connection with you, and he's the right person for you, okay, he or she, anyone, okay. So yeah, you have already met your romantic partner you seek. Wow. Some of you might go on a travel trip or a vacation, okay, or a holiday time together with your partner, or with your crush, or with anyone, okay. So yes, if you have any crush, so that might be your true person, okay. You might need to travel somewhere, okay. Either you want to go with your partner, you can travel with your partner somewhere, or if you want some time alone, disconnecting from the world, do it, Cancerians. You need it, okay. That will be your much needed break, okay. There's definitely a person entering into your life, and you're getting to know that person, you're getting to know each other. And as you start knowing each other, I think, you know, you will have a very strong bond with each other. There will be some spark where you'll feel that this is the person I was searching for so long, okay. So the people who are single, I'm talking about that, okay. And the people who are married, or who recently got married, they might go on a vacation, okay. Or they might think that, you know, it's been long, that they want to travel somewhere. So you can travel, married partners can travel somewhere, okay. Or, you know, yes, you will be getting a lot of time to know each other, single person who has a crush on someone, okay. Yes, I think, you know, a lot of passion will be there between you and your partner who are single, and who knows that there is a crush of them, okay, Cancerians. Yes, I think, you are going through some major religious path, okay? Like, if you are not unable to talk to your partner, or unable to express, unable to propose, or if there is Cancerians who are already married and relationship issues are going on, I think you need to go on a vacation. You need to have soulful mind, okay? Time for yourself. Also, one more thing, you will be more inclined towards spirituality if you are if the issues are going on into your love life or romantic life, then you will be more involved, inclined towards the spiritual path, okay? And that is not the problem of you, okay? Again, this is a part of the universe, okay? It's a part how universe plays. This is a destiny, okay? Okay, Cancerians, past life relationship, you have known each other before. Okay, some of you Cancerians, you might deal with a twin flame connection, okay, which where the bond will be way too stronger, and you won't be able to resist each other's passion, intimacy, and physical attraction. And yeah, it will be like there will be an emotional bond, and there will be a person you will meet, and or you feel that you have met that person before, or you have that connection from centuries, okay? So yeah, past life, I think some of you might be dealing with a twin flame connection or soulmate connection very strongly. Basically, twin flame connection is very strong here, okay? So that bond, when you meet your twin flame, there will be an eye contact which will happen, and you'll actually have some spark in your vibrational, like your body will start vibrating, that I've met this person before. I have, like, there will be a quick spark in your eyes, okay? So yes, that's a past life relationship, okay? Some of you might be dealing with the same, okay? So yes guys, I hope you like this reading, Cancerians. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. And sorry for speaking Geminis again and again, because but this reading is for Cancerians only, so don't worry. But thank you so much. I hope you like this reading. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Bye bye, take care.